A new Google Translate app has been installing crypto miner software on PCs since 2019. Nvidia have been ordered to stop AI chip sales to China and Russia. And experts are warning that Ethereum 2.0 could land you a hefty tax bill. All this and more in today's news. On the 29th of August, Checkpoint Research, a research team for a cybersecurity provider, released a report warning users about malware that had been installing crypto mining software on thousands of unsuspecting computers since 2019. The malware disguises itself as desktop versions of legitimate software, Google Translate, to go undetected. Then, after several weeks, the fake program installs a mining application that mines a privacy coin, Monero. Chip designer Nvidia Corp announced on August the 31st that US officials demanded it to stop exporting two top computing chips for artificial intelligence work to China and Russia. The move may cripple Chinese firms' ability to progress advanced work like image recognition and scupper Nvidia's business in the country. Further, Nancy Pelosi, the United States House of Reps and one of the world's best stock traders, sold all of her Nvidia shares 1 month before the US made the order. Experts are warning that Ethereum 2.0 could land you a hefty tax bill. According to Miles Fuller, TaxBit's head of government compliance unit, the Ethereum proof-of-stake merge might cause a precarious tax situation for individuals who hold their ETH in private wallets. He explained that if Ethereum's migration results in a hard fork and distribution of new tokens, the IRS will tax the newly distributed tokens held in user-owned wallets as income. Celsius has filed to reopen withdrawals for a minority of customers. Digital Financial Assets Law has been passed in California's State Assembly, which requires digital asset exchanges and crypto companies to have a license of operation. My2, which is a public company that purchased Bitcoin during the peak of the bull run, has losses over $43 million.